Hi everyone. We will be discussing about something we use often but many of us don't know how it works. The mouse. The history of mouse began in 1964 when the first prototype was made by Engelbart. It consisted of a wheel whose motion is tracked. The name mouse was used in 1965 in a paper because a wire coming out looked like a tail of a mouse. This name has since caught on. However, modern mouse look a lot different than their predecessors. Two main kinds of mouse are used these days, the optical and the laser mouse. Let's discuss the working of these in the light of electromagnetics. An optical mouse consists of a LED which illuminates the surface underneath the mouse. The light from the LED reflects off microscopic textural features in the area. A plastic lens collects the reflected light and forms an image on a sensor. The sensor takes pictures of these images as fast as about 1500 frames per second or more. These images are sequential in nature as you can see. The images are then sent to optical navigation engine for processing. Two images were captured sequentially as the mouse was moved to the right and upwards. Much of the same visual material can be recognized in the both frames. Through a patented image processing algorithm, the optical navigation engine identifies common features between the two frames and determines the distance between them. This information is then translated into X and Y coordinates to indicate the mouse movement.
Now, with a bit more effort, a working of a laser mouse can also be understood. The laser mouse basically uses a laser diode as an illumination source. The coherent nature of laser light creates patterns of high contrast when its light is reflected off a surface. The precision image sensor then tracks on these patterns and calculates position and movement in much the same way as an optical mouse, with enhanced image contrast providing an improvement of up to 20 times. Now, some of you might have observed that optical mouse has difficulty on working on glossy surfaces, unlike the laser mouse which seemingly works everywhere. The reason is that the pattern appearing on the sensor in an optical mouse reveals details on any surface, even the glossy ones, that would look